Alright, the last of the ETMs is using trig to solve for an unknown. So I'm just going to start off with some right triangle here. Let's say that this is 30. Let's say this is 10 meters and this is your unknown. Okay, I gave you some steps in class to solve for this, so I'm going to ask you to refer back to that, and I'm just going to go through solving this type of problem. But to do this, you're going to need SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. This is an acronym to help us identify the trig function that we want. Alright, first thing we do, we start at a right angle and we go across from it. This is going to be the hypotenuse. Then we identify the angle, go across from that. That's our opposite. What's left over is adjacent. Next, you should box in the two pieces or the two sides that you care about. I care about this h because it's my x. It's what I'm solving for. And I also care about the o because that is a given piece of information. So I have o and I have h. I want them in the equation. Which one of these has both o and h in it? Can I use the tangent function? I have o, but I don't care about a. Nix that. Can I use the cosine function? No, I don't care about that. I have to use the sine function. So this is going to be written sine of the angle 30 is equal to the first letter goes on top on the numerator, 10 over hypotenuse, that is x. The first move to this type of equation is to multiply both sides by the denominator, which is x. Both sides will be multiplied by x. On the right side, the x's cancel out. On the left side, I'm left with x times sine of 30. I put that into a calculator. I get 0.5 equals 10. And now I can divide both sides by 0.5. So x is equal to 20. I have to look back to the triangle to figure out what units I'm using. Oh, I'm using meters? Okay, so this is going to be meters. That's ETM4.